Right now, someone with less money than you is sleeping better tonight. They are not stressed. They are not checking their bank account with one eye closed. And the difference is not income. It is 5 decisions they stopped making. And today, I am going to show you every single one of them and exactly how to fix them. I am Smith, and on this channel I break down why people make bad money decisions, so you do not have to make the same ones. These 5 mistakes are costing everyday Americans thousands of dollars every single year, and most people have no idea they are even doing them. Stay with me through all 5, because mistake number 5 is the one almost nobody talks about, and it is probably the reason you are watching this right now. Let us get into it. Here are the 5 financial mistakes keeping people broke every single month. I want you to think about 2 people. Both make $45,000 a year. Same city, same bills, same income. Person A, every month is a struggle. Rent goes out, car note goes out, food, phone, and nothing is left. Person A is always one emergency away from disaster. Person B, same salary, saving $400 every month, building investments, sleeping well. No constant money stress. What is the difference? It is not what they earn. It is not luck. It is 5 decisions. Let me show you every single one. Mistake number 1, paying yourself last. This is what almost everyone does, and it is the number 1 reason people never build savings. You get paid, you pay rent, you pay your car, you pay your phone, you buy food. Then whatever is left, that is your savings. The problem? There is never anything left. Wealthy people flip this completely. They pay themselves first. Before any bill is paid, a set amount goes straight into savings, even if it is just $50. Set up an automatic transfer the day your paycheck hits. Your savings gets funded first, then you live on the rest. Most banks let you do this in 2 minutes for free. It does not matter how small the amount is. $10, $20. The habit of paying yourself first is more powerful than the amount. Start today. Mistake number 2, having only one bank account. When all your money lives in one place, your brain cannot separate spending money from saving money. You see $800 in your account, and your brain says, I have $800. So you spend it. Then your rent is due, and you have nothing left. Open a completely separate high-yield savings account. Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, SoFi, all paying 4 to 5% interest right now in the US. What you cannot see, you will not spend. Move your savings somewhere separate and invisible, and watch how fast it grows when you stop accidentally spending it. Mistake number 3, lifestyle creep. Every time you get a raise, your expenses grow to match it. New car, nicer apartment, more subscriptions, more eating out. Your income goes up, and your expenses follow right behind it. The gap between what you earn and what you spend stays the same. And that gap is your wealth. When you get a raise, invest it first. Keep your lifestyle exactly where it is. Build the gap bigger. That gap is where your future lives. The people who build wealth are not the ones earning the most. They are the ones who keep their lifestyle flat while their income grows. Build the gap every single time. Mistake number 4, ignoring high-interest debt. A credit card at 24% interest is robbing you every single day while you sleep. Every $1,000 of credit card debt at 24% costs you $240 a year, just in interest. You cannot invest your way out of that. Use the debt avalanche method. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Attack the highest one first with everything you have. Pay minimums on the rest. Once the first debt is gone, roll that payment onto the next one. Then the next. Keep going until they are all gone. This is how you break the chain for good. Mistake number 5, having no specific financial goal. Saying I want to save more money is not a goal. Your brain needs a number. A date, a reason. Instead of saying I want to save money, say I will have $5,000 saved by September 1st. That is a goal. 5,000 divided by 12 months is $417 a month. Now you have a target. Now your brain has something specific to work toward. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Give it a date and watch everything change. When you hit that goal, celebrate it. Then set the next one. And the next. That is the compounding effect of financial goals. One target at a time. Here is your quick recap. 5 mistakes, 5 fixes. Write these down right now. 1. Mananui for. Pay yourself first. 2. Open a separate savings account. 3. Do not let lifestyle creep steal your raise. 4. Attack your highest interest debt first. 5. Set a specific goal with a specific date. None of these require a big salary. None require a finance degree. They just require a decision to start. Make that decision today. Here is your one homework assignment this week. Open one separate savings account today. Transfer $50 into it. That one action will do more for your financial future than watching 100 videos. If this video helped you, hit subscribe right now. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I drop a new video breaking down exactly how money works in real life. I will see you in the next one.